St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central St. Charles County, St. Louis County, St. Louis City, and east central Missouri until 3:30 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Ellisville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include St. Louis, Florissant, Chesterfield, Wildwood, University City, Bowen, Kirkwood, Maryland Heights, Hazelwood, Webster Groves, Ferguson, Manchester, Creve Coeur, Overland, Clayton, Jennings, St. Anne, Bridgeton, Bellefontaine, Neighbors, and Town and Country. This includes the following state parks: Baylor Memorial State Park, Scott Joplin Historic Site, and Castlewood State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri near exit 231. Interstate 44 in Missouri near exit 261. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado